young bull, so he's just checking us out. He's not showing any kind of aggression. He's showing definite interest. Oh, it's wonderful. He's about 1.5 meters now, 6 feet from us. And that shaking of the leg is a demonstration of discomfort or awkwardness, just like you, if you're in a social situation, you fiddle with a button or a pocket or a handkerchief or a hem of your shirt. It's the same thing. This is too special. That, on the other hand, is not special at all. That was the sound of about 46 cubic decimeters of methane being expelled in our faces. Thank you, elephant. Thank you very much for that. Whew. It's been on the baked beans, Dave.